Hello everyone, this is Vikas and today I am going to teach chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. This is introduction part. Okay, so very first topic is linear equation in two variable. As you can see, chapter name is linear equation in two variable. So first topic is definition of this chapter, linear equation in two variable. What is linear equation in two variable? So an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where this a not equal to 0, this b not equal to 0 and this abc are constant are called linear equation in two variable. Okay, so the equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is always called linear equation in two variable where a, b, c are real constant and x, y are two variable. Okay, example is 2x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. You can check it. Okay, this is ax, this is by and this is c equal to 0. Okay, so this is linear equation in two variable. Another example, x upon 2 plus y is equal to 5. Yes, we can say this is also linear equation two variable because there are two variable x and y. Okay, and one constant c is also here. Okay, and coefficient of y 1 is here and coefficient of x is half is here. So this will also fulfill the condition of linear equation in two variable. So this is also linear equation in two variable. Now third example is here, y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, is it linear equation in two variable? You can see y plus 2 having only one variable y, so it is linear equation in one variable, but we can say it is linear equation in two variable also. How? We can write this equation like this way, 0 into x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can represent this equation 0 into x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this equation and this equation, both equation is same. Okay, so now this is linear equation in two variable where value of a is 0 and value of b is 1 and value of c is 2. Okay, according to this statement, any one a and b can be 0. Any one. Okay, a can be 0, b can be 0, but both a and b cannot be equal to 0. If this coefficient of x is also 0, coefficient of y is also 0, so 2 is equal to 0. How it is possible? 2 is equal to 0. It is not possible. 2 is not equal to 0. Okay, तो linear equation in two variable के मायने ही खत्म हो जाएंगे. Okay, so for linear equation two variable कोई भी एक आपका जो कांस्टेंट है a और b में से वो 0 हो सकता है, लेकिन दोनों कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकते. ओके, so now second topic is solution of linear equation. What is solution of linear equation? The point which satisfy the linear equation in two variable are called solution of linear equation. Okay, the points, कुछ points होंगे जो linear equation को satisfy करेंगे. इसका मतलब satisfy का मतलब x और y की वैल्यू जब आप रखोगे वहां पर तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड आपको मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, I am taking 0.55. Okay, 5.55 is the solution of this linear equation because value of x is 5, value of y is also 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is solution of this equation. Okay, 0 and 10 is also solution. Put 0 here, 0 plus 10 is always 10. Okay, 1, 9 is also solution of this equation. Put here 1 here and 9 here, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, 2 and 8 is also solution. Okay, minus 1 and 11 is also solution because when you replace this value of x is minus 1 and value of y 11, so it will give 10 answer. Okay, so a linear equation in two variable have infinite many solution. Infinite many solution. So a linear equation in two variable have infinite many solution. Okay,